Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about juice that's fresh, nutrient-rich, and delicious, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best cold-pressed juicers of 2026, featuring our top 5 picks and in-depth reviews. We looked at juice quality, ease of cleaning, performance, and overall value so you can find the best option for your kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just love fresh juice, we've got you covered. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Epone Slow Masticating Juicer Machine with 5.8 inches large feed chute, 400 watts, is a cold-pressed juicer that makes fresh juice from whole fruits and vegetables with minimal chopping. Its wide 5.8 inches feed chute lets you fit larger produce like apples, carrots, and cucumbers without extensive prep, saving time. The slow masticating extraction gently presses ingredients, yielding more juice with less foam and better nutrient retention compared with fast centrifugal models. The 400 watts motor delivers smooth, quiet performance that handles leafy greens and hard produce effectively. Cleanup is relatively easy thanks to detachable parts that rinse underwater. Pros: large feed chute, high juice yield, cold press quality with nutrient retention, quiet operation, and easy cleaning. Cons: slower juicing speed than centrifugal juicers, bulkier design, and fibrous items sometimes need pre-cutting. It's ideal for everyday juicing of veggies, fruits, and greens. However, it's not the best choice if you want extremely fast juice in under a minute. In real use it produces flavorful, smooth juice with minimal waste. The build feels sturdy, though takes up counter space. Overall, it's a great value for health-focused users who prefer nutrient-rich juice and easy prep. On number 2 is the Tuamist Cold Press Juicer, Black, is a slow masticating juicer with a 4.6 inches large feed chute that lets you fit bigger pieces of whole fruits and vegetables with less chopping. Its cold press extraction gently squeezes produce to deliver high juice yield with minimal foam and oxidation, helping retain more nutrients and flavor. In everyday use it handles leafy greens, carrots, apples, and softer fruits smoothly, and the easy-to-clean design with detachable parts means rinsing after juicing is quick and simple. The unit operates quietly compared with fast centrifugal juicers, making it more pleasant for regular use. Pros: larger feed chute reduces prep time, cold press yields more juice with less waste, easy cleaning, and quiet performance. Cons: slower juicing process than high-speed models, bulkier countertop footprint, and very fibrous produce may still need some cutting. In real-life use it produces smooth, flavorful juice with consistent results. However, it's not ideal if you want ultra-fast juicing in under a minute. The build feels solid and suitable for daily home juicing. Overall, it's a good value cold-pressed juicer for anyone seeking nutrient-rich juice with easy cleanup and less prep work. On number 3 is the Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer, 2nd Gen, JC151, Charcoal, is a powerful slow masticating juicer designed to deliver high yields of juice with reliable performance and easy cleanup. Its standout Never Clog technology and total pulp control system let you choose your preferred pulp level while minimizing jams, even with leafy greens and fibrous vegetables. The cold press design extracts juice gently, helping retain nutrients and produce smooth, flavorful juice with less foam than traditional high-speed models. In real-world use it handles fruits, vegetables, and greens with ease, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple and convenient. The 2 pulp functions give you flexibility for thinner juice or thicker blends depending on your taste. Pros: effective clog-resistant system, total pulp control, high juice yield with less foam, dishwasher-safe parts, and nutrient-rich cold press extraction. Cons: slow juicing process compared to centrifugal juicers, larger countertop footprint, and some very stringy produce may still require pre-cutting. It feels sturdy and easy to operate, even for first-time juicing. The build quality and thoughtful design make it great for daily use. Overall, it's a strong choice for anyone who wants consistent, high-quality juice with minimal clogging and simple cleanup, and I'd recommend it for users focused on nutritious, flavorful juice at home. On number 4 is the Breville BA430 Sil Juice Fountain Cold, 70 FL Oz, Silver, is a centrifugal juicer that delivers fast, efficient juicing for fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. Its dedicated cold spin technology helps preserve nutrients and flavor by reducing heat transfer during juicing, producing smoother, more vibrant juice. The large 3 inches feed chute cuts prep time by fitting bigger pieces with less chopping. It's straightforward to use and easy to clean, with most removable parts being dishwasher safe. The 70 FL Oz jug is generous enough for family servings or batch juicing. Pros: quick juicing speed, large feed chute, cold spin preserves nutrients, good juice yield, and easy cleanup. Cons: louder operation than slow juicers, less effective on leafy greens, typical of centrifugal models, and it's larger on the counter. The stainless steel build feels solid and durable. In real life use it excels at everyday juice tasks, especially for hard produce like carrots and apples. However, foam and separation are more noticeable than with slow masticating models. It's a great choice for users who want fast, no-fuss juice with decent nutrient retention. Overall, it's a good balance of speed, capacity, and quality for home juicing. On number 5 is the NutriBullet Slow Juicer, NBJ50300, Charcoal Black, is a cold press masticating juicer designed to deliver nutrient-rich juice with quiet operation and easy cleanup. Its 150W motor gently extracts juice at low speeds, helping preserve vitamins, minerals, and natural flavor while producing smooth, low foam results. The reverse function helps prevent clogging when juicing fibrous or leafy ingredients, and the included cleaning brush makes post-juicing cleanup quicker and more thorough. BPA-free components give peace of mind for food safety. In real-world use it handles fruits, veggies, and greens reliably, though slower than fast centrifugal models. Pros: nutrient-preserving cold press extraction, quiet motor, reverse function to prevent jams, BPA-free parts, and easy cleanup with the included brush. Cons: slower juicing process compared with centrifugal juicers, smaller juice output capacity, about 24 Oz, for larger batches, and takes up countertop space. It's ideal for daily juicing of leafy greens, soft fruits, and veggies. The build feels sturdy and suitable for regular use. Overall, it's a good value for health-focused users who want smooth, nutrient-rich juice with minimal noise and hassle, and I'd recommend it for home juicing routines where quality and quiet operation matter most.